Our perception of time is not constant. We have a selective perception of how time is passing based on circumstance and how we're emotionally affected by them. At certain times, as when we're bored, time will seem to pass by more slowly, while at other times, more quickly. This is the subject of the idiom, "time flies when you're having fun," which is also an English proverb. However, time flies itself is also an idiom, so let's start with the meaning of the English idiom, time flies. We say time flies to mean that a certain period of time has seemed to pass very quickly. For example, I haven't seen my niece in 5 years, but to me it seems like hardly any time has passed. I'm surprised at how she's grown when I see her. My, I say, how time flies. In fact, how time flies is a frequently used variation of this idiom. More examples of use. I'm going to be 50 soon. Time really flies. Seems like yesterday I was turning 30. I've been making idiom videos for over 2 years. Time has flown by, and I still don't know what I'm doing. Now for the meaning of the English idiom, time flies when you're having fun. The idiom "time flies when you're having fun" is a set phrase that we use to express, sardonically, the notion that time seems to go by more quickly when we're enjoying ourselves. Vacations always seem to fly by because, after all, time flies when you're having fun. Usage of idiom. The way this idiom is used, however, doesn't always have to do with having fun. It's often used ironically for periods of time in which we have not been having fun, and it's also used when we have run out of time or reached a deadline, even when the activity we have been engaging in is not all that fun. This is an informal idiom, and native speakers will always use the contraction "you're" instead of "you are." Examples of use. I can't believe summer vacation is almost over. Time flies when you're having fun. It's time to call it a day. We can finish this up tomorrow, said Bill. Time to stop already? Time flies when you're having fun, replied Phil. It's 2 a.m. and I have to work tomorrow. We should probably go home, said Maura. Whoa, it's already 2? Time sure flies when you're having fun. Origin of idiom. Time flies was first recorded in English around 1800. But this proverbial idiom is actually ancient. It is claimed to be an English translation of Tempus Fugit attributed to Virgil. Virgil actually wrote in Georgic's Book 3, Fugit irreparabile tempus, which means in proper English, time escapes and is irretrievable. Shakespeare earlier used a version of it, the swiftest hours as they flew, and Alexander Pope as well said, swift fly the years. In English, the idea of flying is often used to describe something that goes very fast. In regards to a fast car, we might say, that car just flies, or we might say that a runner just flew down the track.